We saw a lot of questions from the business side that people were inspired by the tools that we were making.
Because if you're not trained in innovation, how do you know what to do? And everything here is like this. You type, you click, it's just your computer and your hands and that's you.
So how can we have a tool that gives structure in the elements, but not structure in the same linearity every time?
That a different way of interaction with a process influences how you go through it.
We worked on it together, definitely co-creation, and now we have something tangible.
Groow Business is a really practical tool that allows teams to get more grip on their innovation projects.
The first time we tested it was with some colleagues of the innovation team, and straight away you could see everyone it was a natural process. I want this one, I need that one.
Styles, they're tangible. If you disagree, move it. Even if you don't dare to speak up, or even just one little poke makes everyone in the room understand there's something up with that step.
You see what is in front of you, see different options. I think that sparks the discussion.
It's like, what if we do this? Or you get a play on a certain idea and you just make another branch and just, let's also do that.
I want that for my home office. I would much prefer to touch things, see them spatially, than to just have it be on a piece of paper or on my computer screen.
Afterwards, we also introduced it in several countries.
And that was really interesting because we saw a different approach, but the same end result.
And also the response from management teams, but also people in different departments was really positive. Again, it's the Lego examples that you can play around with it and have that discussion and show someone the tile, this is what I'm thinking.
The collaboration was really nice. I think we were like this inspiration for each other and our values, and really combined this towards like a great project. And yeah, it's really suitable in a business context now.